Hello, my name is Amery Su, and I'm a rising junior at Carnegie Mellon University. Today I would like to show you why I believe that eBay is undervalued. eBay is a leading online consumer-to-consumer corporation. Its main forms of revenue are through the fees earned on its site. Looking at asset growth, apart from the years when eBay made acquisitions, which led to dramatic decreases, eBay has good asset growth, even if the current trend is somewhat decreasing. As for CFROI, eBay's CFROI has managed to stay well above its discount rate. This shows that the company is well run. The recent decline in CFROI is natural as the company is starting to enter maturity and experience fade. Looking at other companies in the industry, such as Google, we can see that Google's CFROI is also falling. Another factor contributing to the decline in CFROI is the falling asset turns caused by falling sales growth due to the failing economies worldwide, particularly in Europe. However, eBay's sales growth is starting to recover. The rising popularities of mobile devices and PayPal have fueled eBay's sales. This will increase sales growth and asset turns. Therefore, I believe that CFROI will only slightly decrease, as evidenced by Host forecasts. eBay's operating margins remain relatively stable, which can be good for performance. eBay's Host score is above the median, and the company has good performance scores in terms of operations, CFROI, and asset growth. The economic PE and Holt price-to-book to CFROI ratio show that eBay is currently undervalued. Based on Holt's analysis, eBay's warranted price is $63.05, which is an upside of 22%. Now let us look into more factors that can affect eBay's performance. First off, the exploding popularities of PayPal mobile devices, which will help foster e-commerce, can potentially fuel eBay's revenue. Next, eBay has made investments in emerging markets such as China and India. If successful, it can bring eBay lots of revenue. Along with eBay's attempts to make mobile shopping easier, the possible popular wearable technology serves as another potential source of income. Examining eBay's 2012 quarterly EPS, the EPS remains the same for the first 3 quarters before rising in the fourth quarter. Using this model, I estimate a total EPS of $2.75 for 2013, which matches Holt's consensus EPS. From this chart, the company's PE ratio is expected to fall. Based on my previous analysis, I do not believe that the PE ratio will drop as quickly, so thus my PE ratio estimate for 2013 is 23. Multiplying this PE ratio over the 2013 consensus EPS gets us a warranted price of $63.25. This is essentially the same as Holt's warranted price, so this further shows that the company will outperform. Considering eBay's credit rating, Holt leverage, and interest coverage, eBay carries little risk of default, so investors can be rest assured when buying eBay. All in all, based on my analysis, I believe that eBay is currently undervalued and will outperform, indicating buy option. Thank you!